Hey there, welcome back to another video. So today is the first day of the HTML and CSS tutorial. So today we'll basically talk about the structure of the HTML and some important elements of the HTML. So let's dive into the Visual Studio Code that we have installed in the previous video when we set up our computer. So I will clean up everything and we will start step by step. First of all, in HTML we have something by the name of element that they start with a tag. So when you open these angle brackets, then it is the starting of the element and it's called a tag. So here you write HTML, then you close it. So every element in HTML should have a closing tag, but we have some exceptions for some of the elements that we'll clarify them in the future. So we have this opening tag, which is HTML, and the closing tag. So inside this, whatever we write, that is a kind of HTML code or HTML element. Then after this, again you open the tag, you write head, then you close the tag. So it is the heading of the HTML. Mostly we store the information about the website in the heading section, some CSS links or other external links that we use, so we place them inside the heading. So here in the heading you can open a tag and write title, and this is the title of your page. So if I write, for example, my first website, my first website, again just spelling mistake, my first website, when you come to the browser, you see here it is written my first website. If you open another tab, you see it is written new tab, that is the title, but we have changed the title of this, it is written my first website. Then again we come back to the VS Code, and after the heading we write our body. So we open a tag, body, then we close the tag. All your codes will come here in this section, that is the body section. This is the very basic structure for the HTML. So, but you don't need to write each of them each time one by one. We have a shortcut for them. So let's clean all of them. When you press the shift and write the exclamation mark, so it will write everything automatically. So press enter, and it will give me the basic structure of HTML, but we have some extra things here. Let's go and explain them. First of all, you see here we have document type HTML. It means that this document is related to HTML. Then we have this opening tag and the closing tag for the HTML, and we have something extra here. Lang is English. It means the language is gonna be in English. So your code is gonna be in English language. Then we have the heading tag here. Inside this heading tag we have two extra things here. Meta character set is UTF-8. This means that this website is gonna support multiple languages, all the languages that you will write here. For example, if you want to make your website in other languages like French, like Chinese, like Farsi, so whatever you write here in any language, so it's gonna support it. Then we have meta name, viewport, content width, device width, initial scale to 1. It means that this website supported in all kind of devices, for the smaller devices like mobile, tablet, and these things. And if you open these large devices, again it's gonna support it. So with device width and initial scale is gonna be 1. It means it is the zoom in and zoom out is gonna be normal, so it is 1. Then we have this title, and by default the name of the title is document. So if I go to browser and refresh it, you see it is changed to document, but you can come here and change it to my first website. And then we have the body tag. So your code will come here. Now let's talk about some important elements of the HTML, like the heading. So if you are familiar with writing paragraph or essays, you see that some titles are bold there, or sometimes some titles are somehow you see they are the size are big, and that is the heading. So in HTML again we have that. So we have 6 headings in HTML that you start them by opening the tag and you write h1. H is heading, 1 is heading 1, and then you close the tag. So you can write this is heading 1, and then after this, for example, you write h2. If you write h2, it will give you suggestion if you enter, so it will automatically have the opening and the closing tag. You write here this is heading 2, heading 6. These are the 6 headings that we have in HTML, not more than that. And this is, you know, the smallest heading is heading 6, that you write them in h6, and this is the h1 or heading 1. Then the next important element, most important element, is p, which is the shortcut for paragraph. So if you write a p and you write this is a paragraph, when you come here, you refresh your page, you see that this is the paragraph. So it comes inside the p section, and also we have a ready paragraph in HTML. If you write lorem, you enter, so it will give you a pre-built paragraph that you can use them in if you are testing something. The next important thing that we should learn today is BR. Let's have BR here. BR means break. So if you are using BR, it means that you want to break this line, you want to go to the next line. So you see that here after h3 I have a BR tag, and it has only one opening tag, it does not have closing tag. If you refresh your page, you see after h3 we have a line that is empty. It means that line is broken. You can use inside this paragraph as well. If you, for example, come here and just click BR, or you open tag BR, then you close it. It does not have closing tag, so it will take effect. If you refresh, you see from this line it is broken, so it means it has. And then the next and the last thing that we should learn today is HR. HR is horizontal. It is used for horizontal line. So you see, if you refresh your web browser, you see that a line is at the end. So this is the HR. That is also useful in some for designing in some cases. For example, if I have an HR after BR, it also does not have a closing tag. So you see there is a line there. Okay, let's quickly build a very simple project because the video should not be very long, so I will go quickly. I have searched here believer lyrics. We will have these lyrics here as a project. First of all, we come to here and we write HR. H1, sorry, H1 is you know, the heading. So here we write our title of this project, that is believer. So it is H1, the heading. So the name of the song is believer, and then you open the p tag for paragraph. I will just have these 2 lyrics, and then at the end I want to have an HR to see how it looks. So it is good, but let's have the second thing. Yeah, here let's have a brick. I mean, yeah, we should be able to see it here like this, but you can design it somehow. Maybe if you want to break the line by line, so you can have BR after each line. So if I write here BR, they will be line by line, the line will be broken, and you can design it. Then after this, what if we have h3 to write the name of the singer? If we come here, which is obviously written here, so I just copy paste it here and refresh the page. So you see this is the very simple project that we have created. I hope you enjoy today's lesson and see you in the next video. Thank you.